How to answer the question, what is a tint? A tint is any color plus white. The first bowl has our red color plus water in it, and I have 4 bowls to the right that all have water in it, which will equal our white paint. Now by taking our color and then putting it into our white, we have just created a tint. Now by taking this tint and putting it into another white, we have created another tint. By taking this tint and moving into another white, our final. Explanation of what a tone is any color or any hue plus 50% white or 50% black. So let's now take our red and let's add the same amount of black to it. Mix the molecules together, and again with the white and the red, we have now created tones from white to black. Unto you are the primary colors red, yellow, and blue. These are the primary colors because no other colors can be mixed with them. So let's now make secondary colors by mixing red and yellow together. We create orange. By mixing yellow and blue together, we create green. And by mixing red and blue together, we create purple. These are the primary and secondary colors. Colors are known as the warm colors, red, orange, and yellow. And 3 of these colors are known as the cold or cool colors, green, blue, and purple. For an explanation of what is a shade, it is any color plus a black. Now we're going to take the red we have, let's do enough of it here, and I'm going to put it in this bowl, and then we're going to add some black to that. This is 1 shade darker. Okay, we're creating 1 shade darker. Now, by taking this color and now adding more black to it, we have now created 1 more shade darker. Now by taking this color and by adding more black to it, we have now created 1 more shade darker.